Oh, he's so funny. Who is that? Go! Go! Oh, who is that? Good morning, 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 good afternoon, and good night. And workout is done. As easy as that, workout is done. My morning is off to a perfect start. My mind is in the right place. You guys know that when I get my workout in, it could never be better. It could never be a better way to start my morning. It's like I just have to start my morning like this. I feel full of energy. I feel like I've done the right thing. I feel like I've not cheated myself. I just feel good. So you guys should try it. Work out. Get your workout in. It doesn't really matter what you do, just do it. I promise you everything else will fall in. You'll thank me later. The result will come. Just be patient, trust the process, take your time. You cannot want results but sit around and want to be like somebody and not doing anything about it. You can't want results and just eat every and anything, but then complain that you're not satisfied with something. If you're not satisfied with something, do something about it. And on another note, it's not that you're not probably maybe satisfied with something, but you do it just for fun. You do it because you enjoy doing it. I think that's a part of me why I enjoy working out so much, because I love the feeling I get while I'm doing it, even though it hurts sometimes. But if you just do it and enjoy doing it, it will seem like you're not even working. I always tell you guys that when you're working out, do something that drifts your mind away from working out. As a YouTuber and as a vlogger, I enjoy watching other vloggers. So I catch up on vlogs, I watch vlogs while I'm working out, and my workout goes by in no time. Not that I don't feel that I'm tired, but my mind doesn't really focus on it so much. So that really helped. So on that note, I'm gonna stop preaching. I have a lot of things to do today. Make sure you get your workout in. Make sure you're having an amazing day. Make today a good one. Baby's off to work as usual. Tyler's in the living room somewhere watching TV. I'm gonna show you him in a while, but first I need to go and get myself some breakfast because your girl is super hungry. I don't know if this ever happened to any of you guys, but I woke up about 2 a.m. this morning and girl, was I hungry. I was this close to getting up and going in the kitchen and eat some of the bread or something, bread that I haven't had in forever. But I tell myself that no, Mel, condition your mind. Yes, my love. Hi. Hello. Say good morning. Say hi. Can you blow them kisses? Mwah. Mwah. I just love when he says mama. I was this close to getting up and eat something this morning early, and I said, Mel, no, condition your mind to fall asleep. The devil is in your head. The devil is playing with your emotions. Do not get up, girl. Do not do it. Don't do it. Don't get up and eat. Just go back to sleep. And that's what I did. I just went right back to sleep. This is the boy love outside. Look at him. Bye-bye. 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 It's the outside is not looking so bright and vibrant today. It's a little bit cloudy, as you guys can see. I can't even see the beach properly, but it's a little bit cloudy today. Yeah, so that's what outside is looking like right now, but I'm sure as the day goes by it's going to get more sunny. And yeah, so yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm going to head off to make me some breakfast real quick, and yes, of course I'm going to have eggs. So I'm going to rush off to make myself some breakfast, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. This is what breakfast is looking like this morning. Just my usual egg and mixed fruits, and I just have some tangerine on the side and a cup of detox tea, and that's it. Yeah, I'm good to go. It's about to go down right now. Okay, you guys, so Tyler is done for a nap right now, and while he is doing that, I'm going to go ahead and iron all these shirts over here for Babe, and I'm also making lunch at the same time. Nothing too fancy. I'm actually making some chicken and orange juice. So that's my chickens cooking right now, and that will be finished just in time for me to make a salad. Hopefully I'll get all these shirts finished by the time Tyler wake up from his nap. You guys, 15 shirts later, and look who is still not sleeping. Why you didn't want to sleep? Huh? Why you didn't want to sleep? Give me a kiss, you silly boy. Give mama a kiss. I love you. Julie mouth. Okay, you guys, so this is lunch for today. The chicken that I prepared with some corn and Tyler is ready going in on my food as usual. He loves corn. Look at him. You're welcome. He made sure he came and hold his seat because Mama is having food. Ooh! Hi guys, I'm a little bit chilly because it's windy right now. Tyler and I, yes, we are by the beach. We're actually not stopping here though. We are heading to town to have dinner with Babe. I didn't feel like cooking this evening, so I said why not go and surprise him and let's go have dinner. So Tyler is here actually sleeping. There he is sleeping away because he didn't take any afternoon nap nor morning nap because for some reason when I put him in bed earlier today he didn't feel like sleeping, so he haven't slept throughout the day today. So he's taking his afternoon nap right now. So he fell asleep in the bus. Just got off my first bus and I'm actually by the beach. Now I'm going to hop on my second bus, which is gonna take me to town. Babe should leave work in about an hour, so I have like roughly an hour to kill. So I'm going to if Tyler wakes up, then I'll take him by the park and then go by Babe work, but if not, I'll just hang around, shop around until baby's ready. So let's go. You guys, I really don't know if this was a good idea coming out because it is about to rain like crazy. It is so cloudy. I don't even know what I'm to do, if I'm to like stand here, go shopping, go straight to babe office, or what. But I'm sure it's going to rain at some point. If it doesn't rain, then I just consider myself lucky. But it doesn't look so good outside at all. Oh. He's so funny. Go! Go! Oh! Who is that? Who is that, Papa? Who is that? That's Papa? Dinner was good. Dinner was awesome. And now we're walking home. We got off the bus. Whew. And we are out of breath because we are going up the hill from all the way down there, and it's a long hill to reach home, and baby's there pushing Tyler going up the hill and struggling. Oh, I didn't give you guys any Jamaican expression for today, so I'm gonna make this one be quick and easy and simple. So the Jamaican expression for today is what you are deal with. It's a simple greeting asking you, how are you, what are you up to? So we have different types of greetings in Jamaica, lots and lots of different. So that's just one of the Jamaican expression of saying how are you. So today's Jamaican expression is what you are deal with. Say it, babe.
What you are deal with?
Say it louder.
What you are dealing with?
No, say it again.
What you are deal with?
What you are deal with?
With?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I
say
forgot
it
that
again.
Jamaica love with. What you
what did you just say?
What you are deal with?
Right.
What you are deal with?
Yes.
I should remember this one.
He's so funny. He's so funny.
This is a Jamaican national tree.
You're so crazy.
What is Jamaican national tree?
Anyway, you guys, sorry for the noise, but I just want to end the vlog before we reach home, because when I get home I have to put Tyler to bed. There's so much things I have to do and I don't want to forget to end the vlog. You wanna say bye-bye, Ty? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Look.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
I'm tired.
Oh, he's giving you guys a little bye-bye tonight because he's really tired. All right, you guys, we're going to call it the end of the vlog right here. Okay, Babe said to show you the hill. This is the hill that he's gonna have to push Tyler up right now.
We are pushing Tyler since 5 minutes.
And this is the hill that I run up on the weekends. This hill is awesome. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here for today, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, join the family, become a faves. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog.
Bye.